Time and space are modes by which we think and not conditions in which we live. Here are some amazing facts about time and space. Time passes faster for your face than for your feet. Einstein's theory of relativity dictates that the closer you are to the center of the Earth, the slower time goes, and this has been measured. At the top of Mount Everest, a year would be about 15 microseconds shorter than at sea level. What you think of as a day, how long it takes the Earth to rotate, isn't 24 hours. It's 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4.2 seconds. The reason it's 24 hours from sunrise to sunrise is because every day the Earth moves further in its orbit round the Sun, and the change in its position lengthens the day slightly. When the dinosaurs were alive, there were 370 days in a year. The Earth's spin is getting slower because the Moon's gravity is acting as a drag, so days are getting longer, by about 1.7 milliseconds per century. The smallest standard scientific measure of time is the Planck time. It takes you about 550,000 trillion Planck times to blink once, quickly. There is no such thing as now, as far as physics is concerned. Space and time are fluid, affected by gravity and your speed. Einstein put it like this: for us physicists, the distinction between past, present and future is only an illusion, however persistent. The light from our nearest star, Proxima Centauri, is 4 years old. Because light takes time to reach us, everything we see is in the past. The sun you can see out of the window is 8 minutes and 20 seconds old. New experiences really do seem to be longer in the memory than familiar ones. It's called the oddball effect, and it seems to be why time feels like it's going faster as you get older, because more stuff is familiar to you. Time passes slower the faster you move. If you flew to the star Sirius at 99% of the speed of light, then flew back again, the people you left behind on Earth would have aged more than 17 years. But you would have aged less than 2.5 years. The most accurate clock ever built is the strontium clock, which is accurate to within a second over 15 billion years. The oldest known object in the universe is a galaxy called Z8_GND_5296. It's 13.1 billion years old, only about 700 million years younger than the universe. The reason clocks show the same time across whole countries is that it makes train timetables easier to run. Until the 19th century, towns set their clocks by the local noon, so clocks in Bristol would be 11 minutes behind London. That meant people kept missing their trains, so railway companies began using standard, London-based UK time, starting with the Great Western Railway in 1840. Like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos in future. Hope you all liked it. Have a good day. Smile.